You ready to make a little terracotta bunny? Woo! Hey everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy. If you didn't know, and if you did, thanks so much for coming back. All right, so I have these sprigs where I take the flowers off of them and I'm left with the ends and they're wire. So I figured, you know what? Let's use them. So I cut 2 of them off of this old thing of florals that I had, and then I'm going to bend it into a little loop, okay? Okay, now I have a little terracotta pot from Dollar Tree, and I'm just measuring to see how big I need. This is going to be the bunny ear. He's so cute. So I'm just measuring, kind of figuring out how big we want it, and then I'm going to twist the ends so that they stay together, and then just kind of rearrange how you want your ear to look. Easy peasy, right? And then I'm going to do the same thing with the other one, except I'm just going to use that first one as a model and just do the same size for that. And then same process, twist the bottom. After I wound up splaying the ends and kind of bending them out just so that they were a little bit more, it was like more surface area for the glue to kind of grab onto when I glue it. You don't have to do that part, but I did. All right, so there's that. Then I have a piece of drop cloth. It's canvas drop cloth. I got it at Home Depot. It's a huge piece. And I'm going to put glue on our wire, and then I'm going to glue it right to that piece of the drop cloth. Ta-da! And then we're going to cut it out. And all we're going to do is just follow the line of that ear wire thing that we made. Just follow. And you can make it hang over as much or as little as you want. I didn't really think about it at that. I wish I had let it hang over more, but whatever, it's fine. So again, just do that for both of them. Perfect. And then I used a little sanding block just to kind of rough it up a little bit. I used some blush to put a little pink on the inside because, hello, it's a bunny ear. Look how cute it is already. Huh. All right, and then I put some hot glue on it, and I'm going to glue it to the inside of our jar. Not a jar. Terracotta pot. Sorry, words are hard. Love me through it. All right. So glue them both in there and stop it. Already I'm like, whoo, love it. Love it. And then I decided after, which I'm angry, if you're going to make one of these, if you're going to paint it first. But I was like, oh, it needs to be painted. So I'm using some Dixie Belle paint and I just paint it all, not the inside. And then I had this little heart pick from Dollar Tree and I just cut the end of it off and now it's just the heart and I sanded it. I opened up a piece of jute, just kind of frayed it so that they're little spriggy pieces. Put a little dollop of glue on our terracotta pot, put our jute on it, and then we're going to add our little wood heart that we made from that pick and put it there and look at it. Oh, it's so cute. I love it. I love it so much. And then I put some Spanish moss in the little, I mean, you could put anything in this. I just thought it looked cute with some Spanish moss. And you know me, I have to distress it. So I distress mine. You don't have to distress yours. But look at how cute it looks with its distress. I am using brown wax. That's all I'm doing. And a piece of cut up sponge. That's all I did. Look at, stop. So cute. And then I thought, let's go a little step further and put a little blush on its cheeks. Oh, I love it. And then here are our little carrots that we made the other day out of wood Christmas trees. Oh my goodness. Stop. I love it. My daughter's already snagged it for her desk. I love it. So much fun. Anyways, friends, thanks for watching. And I hope this inspires you.